Welcome to this in-depth exploration of Mesenchymal Stem Cell Therapy, or MSC Therapy, a breakthrough that holds immense promise in the treatment of chronic diseases. In this video, we will delve into what MSC Therapy is, how it works, and why it is gaining significant attention in the medical world. We will also look at some key benefits for patients and the potential future applications of this revolutionary treatment. Mesenchymal stem cells, or MSCs, are unique cells found in various parts of the body, including bone marrow, fat tissue, and umbilical cord tissue. These stem cells have the remarkable ability to self-renew, meaning they can divide and create new stem cells, and they can also differentiate into a variety of cell types, such as bone, cartilage, muscle, and fat cells. This versatility makes them an invaluable tool for regenerative medicine. But what makes MSCs particularly exciting is their ability to modulate the immune system. Unlike other stem cells, MSCs have an immunomodulatory effect. They can regulate the body's immune responses, reduce inflammation, and even help repair damaged tissue. This is especially important in treating chronic inflammatory and autoimmune diseases, where the body's immune system mistakenly attacks its own tissues. You might be wondering, how does this therapy work in practice? In a typical MSC treatment, the stem cells are extracted from a donor source, usually bone marrow, adipose tissue, or umbilical cords. These cells are then processed and prepared in a specialized lab before being administered to the patient, usually via injection or intravenous infusion. Once inside the body, MSCs travel to the areas of inflammation or injury where they begin their healing work. They can suppress harmful immune responses, secrete bioactive molecules that promote tissue repair, and reduce inflammation. Now, let's explore some of the key benefits MSC therapy offers for patients with chronic conditions. One of the primary advantages is its ability to treat autoimmune disorders such as rheumatoid arthritis, lupus, and multiple sclerosis. In these diseases, the immune system becomes overactive, causing widespread inflammation and tissue damage. MSCs can calm this immune response, reducing symptoms and improving quality of life for patients. For example, in rheumatoid arthritis, MSC therapy has shown promise in reducing joint inflammation and preventing further tissue destruction. Patients often experience improved mobility, reduced pain, and a slower progression of the disease. Similarly, for those with multiple sclerosis, MSCs have been found to help regenerate damaged nerve tissue and potentially restore lost function. MSC therapy is also gaining ground in the treatment of chronic lung diseases such as COPD and asthma. In COPD, the lungs are progressively damaged, leading to breathing difficulties and reduced oxygen supply to the body. MSCs have shown potential to repair the damaged lung tissue, reduce inflammation, and even improve lung function over time. This could mean fewer hospitalizations and a better quality of life for patients suffering from chronic lung conditions. Another exciting application of MSC therapy is in the treatment of cardiovascular diseases. MSCs can help regenerate damaged heart tissue, improve heart function, and reduce the risk of heart failure after a heart attack. By stimulating the formation of new blood vessels, MSCs enhance the heart's ability to pump blood efficiently, which is crucial in preventing future cardiovascular events. In the field of orthopedics, MSCs have proven effective in healing bone, cartilage, and joint injuries. Conditions like osteoarthritis, where cartilage wears away over time, can benefit from MSC injections, which promote the regeneration of new cartilage and reduce pain and stiffness. This provides an alternative to more invasive procedures like joint replacement surgery, allowing patients to recover faster with fewer complications. Beyond chronic diseases, MSC therapy has also made headlines for its potential in treating neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Early research indicates that MSCs may help protect neurons from damage, reduce inflammation in the brain, and even regenerate lost brain tissue. While more research is needed, these findings offer hope for patients and families affected by these devastating conditions. One of the reasons MSC therapy is so promising is its relatively low risk of side effects. Because MSCs are immunoprivileged, meaning they don't trigger an immune response, there's a reduced risk of rejection when cells are transplanted from a donor. This makes MSC therapy safer compared to other types of stem cell treatments. However, as with any medical treatment, MSC therapy is not without its limitations. It is still considered experimental for many conditions, and more clinical trials are needed to fully understand its long-term efficacy and safety. That being said, the results so far are encouraging, and more patients are seeking out MSC therapy as a viable option for managing their chronic diseases. In the future, we can expect to see MSC therapy becoming a standard part of treatment protocols for a wide range of conditions. Research is already underway to explore how MSCs can be combined with other therapies, such as gene therapy and immune cell therapy, to enhance their effects. Scientists are also looking into using MSCs to deliver drugs directly to diseased tissues, which could revolutionize how we treat diseases like cancer and autoimmune disorders. As this field of regenerative medicine continues to grow, MSC therapy may provide patients with chronic illnesses a real opportunity to not only manage their symptoms, but also potentially reverse the damage caused by their conditions. The possibilities are truly exciting. In summary, mesenchymal stem cell therapy holds incredible promise for the future of medicine. Its ability to modulate the immune system, repair damaged tissue, and reduce inflammation makes it a powerful tool for treating a wide range of chronic conditions, from autoimmune diseases to cardiovascular problems and even neurodegenerative disorders. While more research is needed, MSC therapy is already changing lives and offering hope to those who previously had limited treatment options. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of MSC therapy. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into how this innovative treatment works and the potential it holds for the future. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest advances in stem cell research and how they can benefit your health.